Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Leave riced cauliflower on the heat too long and it will become soft and soggy. Follow this tip. Quickly cooked in a little butter or olive oil on the stovetop, riced cauliflower becomes softer and more tender. As a rule of thumb, about 3 minutes over medium heat and not too oil much should do the trick.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to thicken cauliflower mash. Make a cornstarch or flour slurry. Return the mashed cauliflower to the pot. Slowly add the slurry, stirring while reheating until you reach the desired consistency. You could also add a little more cream cheese to help it thicken up.
Let's help you make your mark.
Cauliflower rice is a grain-free, low-carb alternative to regular white rice made entirely from cauliflower. Just a quick chop in a food processor turns a massive head of cauliflower into grain-sized bits, creating a faux rice.
Take our lead.
1 cup of cauliflower rice has about 25 calories, compared with 218 calories for a cup of cooked brown rice. Riced cauliflower has 5 grams of carbs per 1 cup serving, compared with 45 grams for brown rice. Cauliflower also has lots of fiber as well as antioxidants, folate, vitamin K and even some protein.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.